Kyle Barton here. Hey, I just wanted to go over something I left out of my last video on the general overview of the boring jig, and that is how to use the setup block when you are drilling in this direction. The setup block, as you may remember, has a little stop here. It's made to reference off the ends of the runner when you're drilling between the runners. So how do you use it when you're drilling outside the runners? Well, the easiest way and quickest way to do it, and let's use this hole over here so you can see. This is a leg hole. It should be at 16.5 degrees. So what you do is you take your setup block, and you notice these lines go into the direction you're drilling. That's a way to keep them straight. So I just sit here and go to 16.5. I'm on my sight line. Oops, wait, it helps if I actually do it at 16.5. So 16.5 degrees, I just hold it down there, and I put a little line at the back of the setup block here. Now I just want to extend that line so it crosses the sight line there. Then I'll put the setup block back into its traditional configuration and just use that against the sight line. And let's see here, right against the sight line and right against that mark. We just want to be just past the mark. So, because remember we made that mark at the back end of the setup block. So you got to not leave the pencil line, but go over the pencil line. So, with that said, it's right there, and we are now set up to drill this at 16.5 degrees. So how do we do? Well, let's take our gauge here. It's zeroed out, and we'll put it on there, and we're at 16.5 degrees. So there you go.